Alright, so in this video, I'm going to showing you how to create the Pipedrive lead event, your Google Analytics event using Google Tag Manager. So last time we are already see this Pipedrive from event is working. So just we need to copy the event name and go to the triggers, Google Tag Manager dashboard and click the triggers and create a new triggers. Create a new triggers and click the trigger configuration and select the other section custom uh, uh, custom event. So just put the event name and save it and make it the name is suppose generate lead, generate lead, and save it. So now again go to the tag section and create the new tag and selected the tag configuration and selected the Google Analytics. Now selected the Google Analytics GA4 event and put the measurement ID. So we are already last time video is using the measurement ID using the constant variable. Just put this one. Now put the event name, suppose generate lead. Okay, this is the standard event name in Google Analytics. Now we can send the some parameter. Suppose page URL, page path, and we can select the value. Value is built-in variable. Already have a Google Tag Manager, so just page URL and put the page path and select the trigger. Trigger is we already create the uh, custom event. Just put this trigger and put the name. The name is you need to put suppose lead generation event. We already put. Just name is generate lead. Okay, save it. So this is the actually process. So thank you so much.